Hey guys, welcome to FixLab Pro. Many people are interested in how to recover deleted photos, videos, or chats from Facebook Messenger. So in today's video, I will teach you how to recover deleted photos, videos, or chats from Messenger. So without any delay, let's start the video. The method I will show today does not require you to install any third-party application. First of all, go to Facebook Messenger. Then click on the three dots. Here you will see an option called Archive or Archived Chats. Many times your deleted chats are stored in the archive. However, if you cannot find the desired chat, then you have to apply the next method. For this, go to the original Facebook app or website, then click on the profile at the top right. Here, click on the Settings and Privacy option and go to Settings. After that, you have to search here Download and Information. Then click on it. Here, press Create Export. Then you can see your accounts. From here, select your desired account. Then, click on Export to Device. Now, scroll down a little and you will see a few options. To select what kind of information you want to recover, click on Customize Information. If all are selected here, press Clear All and select the information you need. I only want to recover Messenger chats, so I am only selecting Messenger. You will also select your required information and click on Save. Then you can see an option called Date Range. Here last year is selected. However, if you want, you can find out the chats that have happened for 3 months, 6 months, 3 years, or the whole year. I want to recover the chatting of the last month, so I am selecting last month. Then select the Format option HTML. Then you can see the media quality at the bottom. If you want, you can keep it high or medium. But remember that if you select high, the quality of your information will be much better, but it will take a lot of megabytes and time to download. So I am selecting medium. Then I will click on Start Export. As soon as I click on it, a file is created and the date shows how many days of information I want. Now, in a while, Facebook will give me a notification when they will prepare the information I have given. This may take 1 to 2 hours. But I got the notification after a few minutes. You can see my notification here. If you click on it, you can see the option to download the file. My file is 64 megabytes, but yours may be more or less. Now click on the download option. Click on Download again. Here you have to enter your Facebook password. After typing the password, click on Continue. Now my HTML file has started downloading. Here you can see the file is downloading. If you download it from mobile, then you will find it in the download file in your phone's internal storage. Since I am using PC, I went to PC download folder. Here I can see my file. Click on it and select File Explorer. If you want to open the file from phone, then extract the file and open it. After that, you see that my file has opened. Here you can see a few folders. Now if you want to see the direct messages, then there is a folder called Your Facebook Activity at the bottom. Open it. Then click on Messages. If you want to see your chatting here, press on Inbox. The names of the people you have chatted with are here in the form of folders. From here, click on the folder with the name of the people you want to see the chatting with. Then click on Message and you will be able to see the chats you have with them. Here the messages are given in full details including name and date. In the same way, you can recover deleted messages from mobile as well. So that's all for today's video. If you want a more informative video like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problem you have. Thanks for watching.